In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download Google Photos as a zip. We will use the official Google Takeout method, which works best on a desktop or laptop computer so things run smoothly. First, open Google Takeout. You can do this by searching for Google Takeout in your browser, then choosing the Google Takeout page that appears in the results. When the page loads, you will see a long list of Google products that can be exported, each with a small checkbox on the left. Now sign in to your Google account. If you are not already signed in, Google will show the usual sign-in screen with the email box and password box. Use the account that actually holds your Google Photos because Takeout only exports data from the signed-in account. Once you are signed in, click Deselect All. This control appears near the top of the list of Google services. After you click it, every checkbox on the page should clear, so nothing is selected anymore. Beginners often miss this and export everything by mistake, so make sure all boxes are now empty. From there, find and check Google Photos. Scroll down the list until you see Google Photos with its colorful pinwheel-style icon. Tick the checkbox next to Google Photos, and you will see it turn blue, showing that only Google Photos is selected for export. Next, click Next Step. You will find this button at the bottom of the page, under the list of products. After you click it, the screen changes to a section called Choose File Type, Frequency and Destination, where you control how the export will be delivered. Under Delivery Method, choose Send Download Link via email. Open the drop-down and pick that option from the list. This tells Google to email you a download link instead of sending files to another storage service, which keeps the process simple for a first export. Under File Type, select Zip. Zip is supported by both Windows and Mac without extra tools. Once selected, you will see Zip displayed next to File Type so you know the archives will be in that format. Under Archive Size, choose 50 gigabytes if you want to reduce the number of zip files. This option controls the maximum size of each archive. A larger size means fewer separate files to manage later, especially useful if you have many photos and videos. After that, click Create Export. Google Takeout now starts preparing your Google Photos archive in the background. You will see a progress section showing that the export is in progress, and it can stay there for quite a while for big libraries. Google will prepare your export and email you when it is ready. When that email arrives, open the email from Google. The subject usually mentions your Google data is ready, and inside you will see a section describing your export. In that email, click Download Archive. This button opens a new tab that leads back to Google Takeout, focused on your export. If Google wants to confirm it is really you, you might see a prompt to sign in again. If you are prompted, sign in. Use the same Google account as before. After you complete this quick check, the page will show one or more download buttons for your archives, each labeled as a zip file with its size. Now download the zip file or files. Click each download button and let your browser save them. On large libraries, you might see several zip files listed, and they may finish downloading at different times depending on your internet speed. Once the downloads are finished, right-click the downloaded zip and choose Extract All on Windows. A small window appears asking where to place the extracted contents. Confirm or change the folder, then start the extraction. Windows creates a new folder with the same name as the zip. Finally, open the extracted folders to access your photos and videos. Inside, you will see subfolders, often arranged by album or date, each containing your image and video files ready to use offline. If your Google Photos library is larger than the archive size you selected, Google will automatically split it into multiple zip files, and you can extract each one the same way. You have now exported your Google Photos as zip archives and unpacked them onto your computer. So if that helped, a quick thumbs up would help others find it. And you are welcome to subscribe for more clear how-to guides.